Hi everyone. Okay, so we are taught to solve this equation. Okay, so how do you go about finding the value of x given this kind of equation? Okay, so we know that this is obviously, not obviously, but it's an equation. Okay, so it being an equation, we can find the value of x. Okay, so what do we do? So the first thing that we need to do is to collect the like terms. Okay, so the first thing is to collect the like terms. So what we are going to do here is to make sure that because there's x here, there's also x the other side, we can bring this x to the other side. So this should be, so 4x, when this comes the other side, or we can use the additive inverse one, so we can say 4x minus x minus 8 plus 8 equal to 1 plus x minus x plus 8. So what we have done basically here is just to introduce the additive inverse because we are collecting the like terms and put them to the side where they are required. Okay, so what we have done is we have added the additive inverse of negative 8 because we want 8 to go to the other side. So what is the additive inverse of negative 8? It is positive 8. So this is the plus here. Here we'll get a 0. Okay, then on the other side, we have actually subtracted the x with the x. Because here again we get a 0. That means that we have moved this x to the other side and this negative 8 to the other side. Okay, so with that said, the next thing that we are going to do is to simplify this. So what is 4 minus x? This should give us 3x. This will give us 0. This should equal to, this here will give us 0. So we're going to have 1 plus 8, and that should give us 9. Okay. With that said, now we can easily divide with a 3, and here with a 3. A 3 will go, will be cancelled out. Remain with the x. So x will equal to, how many times does 3 go into 9? Goes in there 3 times. So x equals 3. It was as simple as that. So the concept that you need to understand is the concept of additive inverse. Okay, so the additive inverse basically is the opposite, the number carries its opposite sign. For example, like we had this negative 8. What is the opposite of negative 8? It's basically positive 8. So that is the additive inverse. And with that, you are able to solve these kind of equations. Thank you very much for watching and follow for more.